Hi, this is Melanie. I wanted to show you what a Pachypodium Madagascar palm looks like when it's roughly about 3 years old. We started off with seeds and then we grew them for about a year and they look like this really tiny looking Pachypodiums. It actually doesn't even look like the same plant. So this is about roughly a year old, and this is roughly about 3 years old. The Pachypodium lamerei, also known as Madagascar palm, is native to Madagascar, and it can get roughly about 6 feet tall or more and has pretty white flowers. And they also multi-branch. They have branches that come out from the side and even from the base. This is actually a relatively average growing plant. It's not that slow growing, but from here to here, it's roughly about, if this is a year old and this is 3 years, so roughly about 2 years. And we just plant it into a well-draining succulent mix. And I'll put more information about the soil in the description below, and also put more information about the Madagascar palm. This is a very popular plant that people like to buy at our nursery, as well as to put it in their landscapes, because it's a really beautiful plant when it has lots of branches and it has white flowers. This can take filter light or full sun and water about once a week. Thanks for watching.